Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Fundamentals of IoT, in short FIOT. In today's class, we are going to learn about layered structure of sensor cloud. Okay, so we already know what is a sensor cloud. Now, let's see what are the different types of layers present in this particular sensor cloud structure. So, this layered structure of the sensor cloud platform is mainly divided into three layers. One is user and application layer. Second one is sensor cloud and virtualization layer. Third one is template creation as well as tangible sensor layers. Okay. Now let's see what are the different layers one by one. Okay. Coming to the layer one, user and application layer. Okay. As the name indicates, how the users are using several applications in order to take or retrieve the sensor data we are going to see now. See, this layer deals with the users and their relevant applications. So what all the users are trying to access that sensor data and what are the types of applications they are using in order to access the data we are going to see. So several users want to access the valuable sensor data from different OS platforms. So some will be using Windows operating system, PCs or laptops, okay? Some will be using iOS laptops or computers. Some will be using some Android or Apple phone, iOS phones, okay? Whatever the operating system platform it may be, the user should be able to access the particular sensor data, okay? So this structure, user and application layers, gives access to the users, okay, irrespective of the operating system platform without any problem, okay? So this is one of the layer which provides user this feasibility of operating through any kind of platform or operating system, okay? Next comes sensor cloud as well as virtualization layers. This is one of the important layer. This layer deals with the virtualization of the physical sensors, okay? So how these physical sensors are connected to the cloud-based virtualization we are going to see now. So this layer deals with the virtualization of the physical sensors and resources in the cloud, okay? Both will be interlinked, okay? So this virtualization enables the provisioning of the cloud-based sensor services and other IT resources through which the end user can able to access the sensor data, okay? So these physical sensors need to be, once they are get registered, they will be linked to this particular sensor cloud or the cloud-based virtualization infrastructure, okay? In this, what they are doing is they will be using some sort of IT resources. So these IT resources can be an operating system, PC, or some sort of disk or a storage kind of thing. All these virtual kind of things are linked to this particular physical layers of the sensors, okay? So from all these things, the users can able to access the data or the sensor data through this particular virtualization mode, okay? So these virtualized sensors, that means cloud-based sensors or a virtual cloud where the sensor data is stored. These are created by using service templates automatically, okay? So these templates are nothing but actually these templates are prepared by the service provider, whoever the service provider, okay, who are looking after the maintenance of this physical sensor and connecting the physical sensors to the virtual cloud and storing all the data and giving access to the end users. So all this maintenance, whoever it is looking after, those service provider will be providing a catalog with respect to the sensor data or the virtual cloud data, okay, through which the end user can easily access. And not only that, multiple users can access these templates with the help of instances at a time, where instances is nothing but a kind of service or the data of the sensors through which they can access and for multiple applications. Next comes template creation as well as sensor layers, tangible sensor layers, okay? So let's see. So this is the last layer which deals with the service template creation. Okay. So it's as I've already said, this template creation is nothing but say it's a kind of forming a catalog or the menu. Okay. So this catalog or the menu will be having different physical sensors. Okay. And the data retrieved from those sensors. Okay. So these all these physical sensors can control. Okay, and has its own control as well as the data collection mechanism. Okay, so these physical sensors data will be controlled as well as data collection, processing, and the storing, everything will be done by this particular uh, templates or the instances through which the end user can access. Okay, so the standard functions are defined to access the virtual sensors by the users. Okay, so once the catalog is designed or the uh, sensor layers are determined, okay, or the template is created, there will be some set of standard functions in order to access this particular virtual sensors data. Okay, so the end users can access with the help of some standard functions. So these are the three layers which are mainly considered. Okay, with respect to the architecture of the SensorCloud platform.